Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna salad. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need one 5-ounce can of tuna, thoroughly drained, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise or a healthier Greek yogurt alternative. Also, finely chop 1/4 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These fresh ingredients are the foundation for a delicious and easy meal. Make sure everything is ready before you start mixing. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, gently flake your drained tuna. Add the mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, along with the chopped celery and red onion. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your personal preference. Mix everything until it's well combined but not overmashed. Want to make your tuna salad even better? Try adding 1 tablespoon of fresh dill or parsley for a bright herbaceous note. If you enjoy a bit of tang, mix in 1/4 cup of chopped pickles or sweet relish. This recipe is super versatile. Once it's perfectly seasoned and customized, serve your delicious creation on toasted bread, crisp crackers, or even in fresh lettuce wraps for a lighter option. Enjoy your homemade meal. To keep your tuna salad fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For the best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling your tuna salad for at least 15 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Also, if you're looking for a great read, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.